moderator. Social dialogue is an effective, meaningful, and strategic instrument to ensure teachers' participation through their union. By engaging unions, education challenges can be addressed by listening to the voice of teachers. Involving union is an essential part of democratization process. Social dialogue is a key part of democracy. It brings all relevant stakeholders together in making public decisions because education is a basic of human rights. As an example of Indonesian context, PJRI has recognized the educational issue, a highly complex and complicated, particularly in Indonesia, with a population of almost 300 millions of people, 62 million of students from primary to senior secondary school, 3.4 million of teachers. This reality requires strong synergy and collaborative between the central government, local government, and also union to collectively find solutions to challenges in education sector, especially those related to the teachers. In Indonesia, there is a significant shortage of teachers. Based on our PJRI assessment, there is a deficit, nearly 1.5 million of teachers according to our need analysis. Primarily due to the absence of 10 years new recruitment teachers, or that we call as a zero growth. To address this, the PJRI initiated effort to engage discussion through the mechanism of social dialogue. This dialogue has been conducted in various organizational level with government, parliament, from the national level to provincial and district level, as their authority lies in their hands. Through the need analysis, the PJRI is identified the shortage of approximately 1.5 million of teachers. Negotiation and social dialogue carry out with the president, the minister of education, and the government official, leading to an agreement to recruit 1 million of teachers to the date. And it's already 800 teachers have been appointed to state civil apparatus. With the remainder still pending, it was agreed that the recruitment mechanism would be through a special contract arrangement known as ASN, or apparatus civil PPPK, which has the same status of the teachers, but not provide a pension, but not is already to get a pension, and then with the more than 35 years can be appointed to be a civil servant, and now we are going to make them as a permanent teachers. Okay. PJRI is mission gradually and with recognizing the many responsibility to the government must handle. Negotiations are conducted based on as a strong data and sharp analysis, which ensure equal footing in discussion. Various social media platforms are also utilized to amplify PJRI advocacy. This one, another question from you. Wait, just wait. For us, technology transformation and the adequate education financing are of equal importance. In the field of the technology, PJ has taken the lead by providing professional development for teachers and establishing smart learning centers across the nations. Nevertheless, ensuring the allocation of proper 20% budget from the national and also local budget is fundamental to advancing education. This requires continuous advocacy as it is closely linked to political and fiscal decisions. Our commitment is clear to safeguard access and quality education for both students and teachers. We will persist in advocating that the allocation of 20% budget from both national and local budget remains a priority in order to secure the future of our education. Thank you.